Brain Explorers Go! Ted Fed the Hen. Episode 1. Ted had a hen.
Ted had a hen.
The hen is red.
The hen is red.
Ted fed the hen.
Ted fed the hen.
The hen had a bed.
The hen had a bed.
Meg has a red bed. Episode 2. Meg has a red bed.
Meg has a red bed.
Meg sat on the bed.
Meg sat on the bed.
Mom put Ted on the bed.
Mom put Ted on the bed.
The Pet and the Vet. Episode 3. The pet dog ran.
The pet dog ran.
It ran and ran.
It ran and ran.
Oh no, he got wet.
Oh no, he got wet.
The pet went to a vet.
The pet went to a vet.
Ned has a jet. Episode 4. Ned had a red jet.
Ned had a red jet.
The jet went zoom.
The jet went zoom.
Get the jet, Ned.
Get the jet, Ned.
Well done, you did it. Subscribe to practice and watch more videos.